Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangude, Assistant Professor, All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on terminology which is used in food and beverage service. So we will start with the terms which is start from the alphabet F. So, what are the objectives of this topic? You must be thinking about this. So, after this session, students will able to learn the different terms which is used for interview purpose. After knowing this, they can appear for interview. The first term is maitre d'hôtel. It is a French term which is used for the head waiter position. This is generally a British term, and in American terms we used to call it senior captain. Next term is maitre d'hôtel de car. It is again the French term which is used for the station head waiter position. The station head waiter position in American terms is called as captain. Mise à plat. What do you mean by mise à plat? Mise à plat is a French term which is used for keeping things in order before for service or preparations. For example, when we have any kind of setup, for like four covers, we can have four glasses, crockery, cutlery, everything before we keep it on table. For that, we have to wipe it and clean it, and it is called as mise à plat. Next term is mise en scène. This one is also a term which is used in French for keeping the work area presentable and comfortable before service. For example, keeping AC on, then putting a room freshener inside the restaurant, and keeping all the chair and tables in a proper positions comes under the mise en scène. Next is menu. A very common term which is used in the food and beverage service. What do you mean by menu? A menu is a list of dishes that are available for sale in food and service outlet or that can be served at a meal. Generally, you have seen whenever you enter in the restaurant and when you order the food before that they gives you menus for selection of the dishes. That is called as menu. Menu stand. This is again the very important equipment we can say which is required in the food and beverage service. It is a term which is used to hold the table d'hôte menu card. You can have your menu card on menu stand. Next term is mirror platter. This is a platter having a mirror image based to enhance the appearance of the food which is served on it, and generally this platter is used for salad and cold cuts presentations. So when we have a banquet function, that time generally we use mirror platter. Mini bar. It is a small bar with the basic limited stock of drinks which is available in room for a guest. Certain times it is possible that the guest would not like to go out of his room, so that time generally a few things we are keeping in the mini bar. You can see here in this picture all the drinks and snacks we are keeping for guests inside the room. Manual. It is an instruction booklet. You have heard this word many times. Nowadays, very rare manuals we can find it out, but definitely it is an important thing. Madeira. What is Madeira? Madeira, it is a fortified wine which comes from the island of Madeira in the Atlantic Ocean, and that's the reason it is called as Madeira wine. Malted drink. It is a drink which is made from malted grain and milk, and on the request of guests we can serve it. Mocktail, it is a non-alcoholic beverage in which two or more non-alcoholic drinks blended together, and beautifully we can garnish it, which is called as mocktail. Malt, it is a germinated cereals. If you see a beer production, there generally we are using a barley and then it is converted into a germinated cereal into a malt. So this is a very important during the beer process. Malolactic, it is a term that describes the conversion of hard malic acid, which is called as again green apple flavors, in wine to soft the lactic acid, which is a rich butter flavors. So this whole term is called as malolactic. Medium body, it is a term generally used in wine, which means the good weight and texture, less heavy than full bodied. Must, it refers to of unfermented juice or the mixture of pulp, juice, skin and seeds. Mixto, it is a term used for tequila which is produced for a minimum of 51% of sugar from tequila Weber and maximum 49% other sugar. Macerations, it is a process of soaking in a cold liquid to extract color and flavor. Monasteries, there are the places of residence for monks or a building which is generally occupied by a community of monks living under religious vows, and this is called as monasteries. Mist, it is a spirit in which crushed ice served in old fashioned glass is called as mist. You can see here in this picture. Muddler, it is a wooden tool for crushing sugar, herb, and cracking ice in the bar is called as muddler. Maximum level. It is a level beyond which the item should not be stocked is called as maximum level. In the F&B especially we called as maximum level of the things which is kept in the store or in the stock. Minimum level. It is the stock in hand and should not be fall below this level. So when we talk about any of the stock, it should have a minimum this level of a stock. Mixes. In the bar operation, it refers to a soda, tonic water, juices, and other effervescent drinks that are added to the drink. Margin of safety. Abbreviation MOS, margin of safety. It is a term which is used when the excess of sales over break-even sales. Marsala. It is a fortified wine from Sicily classified as a desert wine and used mainly in cooking. So when we talk about the Marsala, Port, Malaga and Sherry, generally it comes under the fortified wine. Mulled wine, this is generally served in the month of December, especially in the Christmas month. In this what red wine slowly heated with sugar, citrus fruits, and spices added to the liquor and served hot. Next is Moselle. It is a lively and crisp tasting white wine which is produced in vineyards lying along the bank of the river Moselle in Germany, and that's the reason it is called as Moselle. Mineral water. It is a water containing of various minerals and said to promote the health, maybe a still or sparkling, and hence it is called as mineral water. Monk's coffee. It is a type of a specialty coffee which is made from addition of Benedictine liqueur. Matelote. It is a French freshwater fish stew made from red wine. Méthode champenoise. Again, this is a French term which is used for the process by which a French champagne is made. Martini. This is a brand of vermouth which is an aromatized wine that has been fortified, maybe red, white, or rose, and dry or sweet bianco. Hence, it is called as Martini. Mancha. This is a term generally used for powdered green tea. Mirin. It is a sweet Japanese rice wine used in sukiyaki and Japanese sauces. Main course. It is a main dish of the menu which is called as a main course. It can come under the third course, fourth course, and in which it can be a vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Mousse. A sweet or savory dish made as smooth light mass in which the main ingredient is egg white and cream, and it refers to a froth bubbles or foam which is called as mousse. Mistel. It is a mixture of unfermented grape juice and brandy. Malaga. It is a sweet fortified wine that comes from the Malaga on the Mediterranean coast of Spain. So hence the name is given as Malaga. Quiz. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic through the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any kind of query or question related to this video, please do contact. My email ID is given in the first slide. Thank you. Have a great time. References. Please find below mentioned references are given for this video. Find below mentioned references are given for this video. Thank you.